Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Part 2 of this. I helped somebody figure out how to get this circle without a square lines, and then somebody else asked, well, how would you do it if you wanted the curve on the inside? Really pretty easy. It just takes a little bit more work. First of all, start with an oval that's 12 inches long and 6 inches wide, or somewhere, half that. It could be 5 by 10. And then we're going to set our nudge factor on 2 inches, and we're going to hit the plus key on the keyboard and measure that up. Now, to come down, we're going to change it to 1 inch. And then we're going to come down 1 inch. Now, I'm going to make a duplicate. I'm going to go all the way to the bottom. I know that that's 1 inch right there. Now, take this one and control, we are going to need that one. So Control D and rotate it 90 degrees or back to 0. And we're going to nudge that over, and because we're working with stuff that's even, we'll set our nudge factor now on 2 inches because we want twice the distance, and then we just hit twice. I'm going to hit the plus key, get to the edge, and hit twice. And then you can see it's symmetrical, and then just use your Smart Fill tool to fill that in, and voila, you have a square that's got curves going to the inside. And if you ever want to put those two together, just CE or EC, put those things together. And then if you want to, you could make a new object, and then it would be on the outside and the inside with lines. Anyway, I hope that answered their question. Thank you for watching.